it's just the phone. I take it, you can see. You can see, it's quite nice. It's just a normal phone. If you hold it, maybe someone cannot tell the difference. It's just normal, right? It's quite flat. Quite flat. You can see hinge part is here, and this is the Type-C port. Type-C is 55 watts supercharge, and this is a speaker here, and under this is a camera system. In this time we designed the camera on the back and the front. Actually it's the same because only one camera here, so the quality for the back shooting and the selfie is the same. And you can see here is a button. If you press it, just open.
Oh, so you open the screen with the button.
Yeah, perfect. And here, this is volume, and this is fingerprint and power button. So I press here, and I can recognize immediately my fingerprint and light on the screen. Yeah, this is screen and just open. So in this status, it is quite normal. I can just hold it and make photos, take a phone call, or doing a text, or just browse the internet. So it's just a normal phone.
So when you use it like this, the other part of the screen is not working, right? The back,
yeah,
let's say.
and but it can detect which one is a face on. I face this one, so it's just a switch to this panel, and use this, just switch to here. Right.
And the camera?
The camera here. Yeah.
Can you unfold it?
Yeah,
completely?
for sure. Okay, follow.
Ta-da-da-dum.
Yeah, this is amazing part. And you can see here, quite slim. Yeah, if I compare to my normal Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro is quite slim. You can see here, it's still very slim. It's 5.4 millimeters. See? Yep. And you can see the screen is quite flat. It's quite flat. And here you can see back. It's kind of new material. So that is product. I just turn around to make you take more photos for the different angle. So here I can do it like this. Right. Can make it a much lighter. Much lighter.
Can you play some music?
Yeah, for sure. Just play music. This is the Huawei song. Huawei song. During the using, as you can follow it.
Okay.
And what about the multitasking on the two
Yeah, I
parts?
can try.
Yeah.
I don't do multitasking. This is a multitasking model. I can open another one. It's open. Let me close the music. Okay, and I play. This is online video. This is online video.
Can you put it in full screen? On landscape mode?
Landscape mode.
Yeah.
Switch to. still doing this two things together.
Can I open my website? Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Kaldata.com.
Are you
Okay,
serious?
just one more. Which one?
Kaldata.
Just do it.
Can I do it by myself?
Yeah.
Thanks. Can I fold it?
Yeah.
Gentle.
You can do it.
Okay.
Slowly.
Yeah.
One more demo for mobile battery.
And with the button, this button here?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe the others?
Yeah.
The others?
So I can still show something. So if I take a photo, you can see. Still, you can see yourself, right? And I can see you. It's cool. How about the gesture? Is it good? Okay. So I can press the button, take a picture. Right. Yep.
Can you send it to me?
Yes.
No,
yeah.
I'm joking.
Actually, we take it some photos. No?
Did you connect to internet?
Yeah, my Wi-Fi port.
So you can experience browsing.
Yeah, we just experienced.
I just tried.
So usually
Actually, Amy is like, I cannot
it's
wait
a phone
to
and
work on this thing.
just doing if you are doing the browsing the news, this is BBC, and if you see down somewhere you just want to open, you want to check it on the big screen, you just open, and then you can read it on the big screen. Yeah. It's quite convenient, and even you can read this Flipboard. Yeah. It's quite good. Yeah.
So the hinge has over 100 parts,
You mean
right? The Falcon
the Falcon?
wing. Yep.
Yeah.
It's made out of 100 parts, right?
Andrew, sorry.
100 parts.
The mechanism
100.
here.
100
This one.
watts, what I mean.
Oh, the folding mechanism is made of 100 parts.
Yes.
They told us so.
Yes.
At the launch
Yeah.
event.
Yeah. Actually, we have a lot of information on the website, so you can check all the features. Yeah.
And here in the middle, there's nothing to feel.
Yeah.
It's
because,
absolutely flat.
Yeah.
It's
So,
absolutely flat.
Yeah, you just touch it, and then it's absolutely flat.
Did everybody manage to touch it?
No.
No.
Okay, let's go, guys, because
Yeah.
I would like all of you to
Okay.
just to feel it in the hands.
Hands on time.
I tried.
Okay, next one, please.
Next one, of course.
So
Because the room is booked and
Yeah.
we need to.
5 minutes.
just a small, a few seconds.
Well,
Okay.
Sorry for that. Just do it gently.
Okay, can I open the browser?
Yeah.